Hi everyone, I'm Hallie. Welcome back to Ledger and Lace. Today I am going to do a show and tell of what my planner lineup is for 2020 planners and journals. So I'm going to start off with ones I haven't showed before that are new this year. So I'll start off with my gratitude one. And so this is one of the fake wax seals. And I attached it to the elastic with some lace so that it doesn't snag on anything. And I have a little bit of muslin back here. This is my business card that I have blank on the front so that I can write whatever. And then I've got these little Tim Holtz brads here. I sewed with this pretty metallic thread around the back. And I will open it up now. So I have a pocket here that I keep favorite cards and ephemera and that sort of thing. And then this notebook I keep by my bedside. And I just have the current month. So this is March. And I'll show you what a page looks like. It's just blank, printed onto parchment paper. And I'm doing 3 years on one page. So this is 2020, 2021, 2022. And I think it'll get a little bit easier to archive than what I've been doing, which is a page a day. That's going to add up over the years. This is my pen board, and this is for fountain pen blotting or rollerball ink blotting. And I just did a sort of take on Nick's raggedy edges with ferns, and there's some lace here, and then there's some seam binding that I wove through, and then on the inside I just have a calendar for the year, and then there's the back. And then I have a dream journal if I have any funny dreams, and then I have another journal in here, and then back pocket with a pen loop, and that's that. And then when I'm finished with my March, then I will archive it in, let me put this aside. This is my Booksmith Tome / Traveler's Notebook that it's got a 4-inch spine. I've got an elastic for each month. So here's January, here's February, and then March, April, etc., etc. So this is where I'll be archiving my gratitude journal for the next 3 years. And so there's that. Okay, then the next one is something else that's different. I was taking notes in a Stalogy notebook, but I filled it up. And then I just thought, well, I would like a bigger surface. And I like spiral notebooks. So this is my Take Notes notebook. So it is 28 pound. It's nice and sturdy, 28 pound legal size paper that I just cut in half and got my bind it machine and bound it with a spiral. And then I can keep this is my Uniball roller pen in here that I can keep here. And the cover is the a leather alternative I've been working with that's going to be coming up in another class. This is a stencil I made of a fern that I stenciled with some metallic paint. And then inside I have a dashboard with sticky notes, and then here's a pocket, and then here's some notes. And so these are notes that I'm taking for books I'm reading, tutorials, any take notes that I take note of go in here. So, and this will last quite a while, I hope. And then the other two I've shown before, but I'll show again. So I have my morning pages here, and this is my 3 pages or 2 every day that I write. And so here's my dashboard, page flags, and I color code things. And then here's a blotter board on the back, and I've got a Uniball in here, roller pen right now, and for that fountain pen look. And so that's morning pages. And then the last is my actual planner, which I've had, and hasn't really changed too much. This is my 2-year calendar. I've got a mini dashboard here. This is a daily log. I do a day on a page, and I just write notes a day on a page, keeping track of activities and tasks and to-dos and that sort of thing, my lists. And then this is my weekly, and it's blank. I just write in the day and the date. And I wasn't sure when I was doing this if I wanted to start Monday here or here and have notes here. I didn't know. So I just thought, well, I'll make it blank and then I'll just write in each week the day and the date. And then here's my Stalogy notebook for making notes. So this is any notes I'm making about upcoming courses or videos or creative projects or whatever. This is something I wrote on a page flag. It's a great journal prompt from Tim Ferriss. What are you excited about? What are things that you've changed your mind on? And what's silly, something silly, absurd, or stupid, anything that you love that other people would think was silly. So I love that. So this is, my Stalogy notebook. And then I have just a blank notepad back here. These are my go-to writing implements. So my favorite Papermate pencil, number 2. The graphite doesn't break, which is, it's nice and sturdy. And then this is Pilot Precise V5, very fine pen, clicky pen, which is great. And yeah, so that's my lineup. That's what I'm using. All right. See you in the next video. Bye.